Today I will show you that how you can edit PDF file on your laptop. Likewise, you can see I have this PDF file, so I'm opening it. So here is no any option like I can edit this PDF. So to edit this, you will have to open this PDF file through Word. So I'm opening Word here. So simply firstly open the Word. So Word. I'm opening the Word 2016. So after opening the Words, you have to click on this blank document. And here you have to go for the file section. And here you have to browse that PDF file you only want to edit. So it's in the download section. And simply I'm clicking this PDF file. So I'm clicking on this open. Okay, so it's a confirmation message. So you have to click on this OK. And now the PDF has been opened in my Word. So like you have to click on this enable editing option to edit this PDF. So simply click on this enable editing option. Okay, so again check this OK. So now the PDF has been converted to the Word file and now I can edit this PDF. So I can simply make changes on this PDF file. So I can erase or I can add something here like this. So likewise, you can also edit the PDF file on your laptop. I'll simply save it to your local disk. So that's all. Hope you like this video. And if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon there for more tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.